Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 42 how to bookmark a photo on Instagram using your iPhone. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to the iPhone itself. So now we can go all the way to the iPhone, navigate to the Instagram application, click on Instagram, make sure we are signed into the account, go to your profile, go to a photo you wish to bookmark. I see the second photo with a circuit board and all the components. Go to the bottom right corner next to the photo. Click the logo for bookmarking. And now the photo itself has been added to the saved section as a bookmark. Go back to your profile. Go back to your iPhone homepage. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.